Hello, and welcome to another one of our educative videos designed to help enhance your online shopping experience from within MyBidfood. In this video, we will be discussing order forms and how they can speed up your shopping experience. Order forms are lists of certain products arranged in such a way that makes sense to you as the customer and the products that you purchase. Most order forms are arranged according to how your own accounting system prints your stock sheets. And by simulating those sheets, it's a lot easier and simpler to order. To access your order forms, click the shortcut from the home screen that says My Order Forms. As you can see here, I have loaded an example of a stock sheet for you. In order to view this list of items, click on the blue View button. In the list below, I have indexed and listed 21 products. They comprise of different fish portions. Imagine that this was your stock sheet and that the different items could be sorted exactly the same way that your accounting system prints your stock sheet. Once you've done your kitchen counts, all you have to do is to tell us how much of each item you'd like to order. Once you've done this, the process is to load these items all at once into your basket. As you can see now, in a couple of seconds, I was able to add these items to my basket by using my order form. This truly is the fastest and most efficient way to buy products from MyBidfood. In the next video, we'll help you to create your order forms and later to edit and manage your order forms yourself. We look forward to seeing you in our next video.